Hi everyone. Today is the sixth day of 30 days new word learning challenge. In this challenge, today first word is delusion. Delusion meaning a false belief or misunderstanding of reality. For example, he was under the delusion that everyone was laughing at him, but truth was different from it. Next example, thinking that you can pass without studying is a delusion. So do practice and study, then you can pass the exam. Next word, catalyst. Catalyst meaning is something that causes changes or action or make the action very fast. For example, her speech become a catalyst for changing in the community. Another example, the news acted as a catalyst for the protest. It means in both sentence, her speech, the news, boost the action. So you can use this word in that way. Next, empathy. Empathy means the ability to understand and share another person's feeling. For example, she showed empathy towards her sad friend. It means she can understood the feeling of her friends. So that places you can use the empathy word. Next, paradoxical. Paradoxical meaning is something that seems contradictory, but it actually true. For example, it is paradoxical that failing helped him succeed. Here in this sentence, failing is not good thing for the success, but it's help in getting success. So here contradiction thing is coming in picture. Next, perplexing. Perplexing means confusing or difficult to understand. For example, the question was perplexing to the student. Another example, his sudden behavior was perplexing. It means something that causes a confusion or very difficult to understand. So that place you can use this word. Next, compassion means a strong feeling of care and concern for others. For example, she showed compassion to the poor. Next example, compassion makes the world a kinder place. So whenever you give some emotional speech, this word is very useful. Next, devoted. Devoted meaning is a very committed or dedicated to something. For example, he is devoted to his work. It means fully committed for the his work. Next example, she is a devoted mother. It means she always care about their children, are very committed for their children. Next, perception. Perception is a very common word, but very useful for the general conversation. For example, his perception of success change over the time. Another example, our perception of beauty is different. Whenever you have the perception about and positive, then it change a situation. Next, intention. Intention meaning is a plan or purpose behind an action. For example, she spoke with good intention. Or another example, his intention was to help, not hurt. Intention means whenever you have the thoughts, the mindset. So that thing is intention. Next, resilience. Resilience meaning is the ability to recover from difficulties. For example, her resilience helped her overcome the failure. Another example, children often show the great resilience. So small kids like do like this. Thank you for watching.